So, what are fat-soluble vitamins? Fat-soluble vitamins are vitamins that dissolve in fats and oils. So, things like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. So let's go through them and see what they do and where we can get them. Vitamin A helps to promote great eye health, strengthen the eyes. Vitamin A also helps to promote healthy skin, and vitamin A also helps to fight off infections. Now, a great source of vitamin A, or some great sources of vitamin A, is the likes of sweet potatoes, carrots, also spinach, and you can't overdose on natural whole food plant-based sources of vitamin A. You may go orange if you're drinking too much carrot juice, but when it comes to supplements, though, you have to be really careful because you can overdose on that, because it is a fat-soluble vitamin. That excess amounts can be stored in the liver and be toxic for you. So be really careful in that sense. But yeah, so that's vitamin A, and that's what vitamin A does. So let's move on. Next one is vitamin D. Now, vitamin D is known as a hormone that is produced whenever the sunshine hits the skin and the body produces vitamin D from using cholesterol that are naturally found in the body. Now, vitamin D helps to promote phosphate and calcium absorption in the body, which helps to promote great bones and great teeth. And vitamin D is also linked to brain function and improved nervous system. Now, the best place to get vitamin D is, from what I mentioned, is the sunshine, getting out in the sun, spending like 30 minutes in the sun, depending on your skin color and the climate you live in, all these different factors. You may need to vary the time. But another place to get vitamin D is also fortified foods, supplements, D3 supplements from algae. That's what I use. And as well, mushrooms. Mushrooms contain vitamin D in them, especially the ones that are soaking in the sun. So get some vitamin D. They are very, very important for you. The next one that we have is vitamin E. Now, vitamin E is a antioxidant. And antioxidant just meaning that it is anti-oxidization, which helps to prevent the damage that occurs from things like free radicals, okay? And some of the common sources of vitamin E, things like mango, asparagus, almonds, avocados, things like pumpkin. These are some good sources of vitamin E. Don't know, did I say bell peppers? But bell peppers too. The next one we have is vitamin K. Now, vitamin K is responsible for normal blood clotting process, and the best sources of vitamin K are dark green leafy vegetables, your kale, your spinach, also getting your broccoli, things like sprouts. So any of your dark green leafy vegetables are fantastic for this, and you pretty much can't overdose on the whole food plant-based sources of vitamin K. But if you're taking supplements, careful, because excess amounts again can lead to some toxic side effects. Some of those side effects being the breaking down of red blood cells, known as hemolysis, and also liver damage. Whether you're talking about vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin K, or vitamin E, all these fat-soluble vitamins are important in the body. So I hope this helps in being able to sort of educate you and inspire you to get these in your diet and lifestyle if you haven't. And if you would like some plant-based recipes, free of oil, whole food plant-based, things like soups, stews, salad dishes, rice dishes, potato dishes, pasta dishes, I will leave a link in the description section below. It's called Plant Based to Your Face. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. Peace, love, and veganism.